Hey everyone, I'm inside BMW's assembly plant right now. Behind me, the body line is alive. Unfinished shells gliding past while robots are working non-stop. This press stamps out a side panel for the 3 Series in less than a second.
I'm standing right next to BMW's welding robots. It's deafening in here and you can feel the heat coming off them. Watch this. That blue arc is stitching the roof seam on a raw body shell. Standing right next to the BMW welding cell. It's loud in here, but check this out. Look at those sparks. That's wild. Seeing every point come together like that. Unreal.